Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 304. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 4, 5. 5 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here. So this is our 1, 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 4 makes this our 5, 6, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. Don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, well, let's look at this box. We're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 here and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 6, 8. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.